Looking for paper towels that balance quality, affordability, and a splash of style? Sparkle PickASize Spirited Prints paper towels deliver exactly that. With colorful designs and flexible sheet sizes, they're designed to tackle everything from kitchen spills to last-minute craft projects without breaking the bank. What sets these paper towels apart is their PickASize feature. Each double roll contains 110 two-ply sheets, sized 11 by 6 inches, and equals 2 regular rolls. This means you can grab just the right amount, whether a full sheet for a big spill or a half sheet for a quick wipe, cutting waste and saving money. Plus, the spirited prints add a cheerful pop of color to your kitchen or workspace, making cleanup a little brighter. I've tried budget paper towels before, and while they often fall short on durability, Sparkle manages to strike a solid balance. Yes, you might need a few more sheets to handle tough messes, but considering the price point, they do the job well. For everyday use, think coffee spills, quick cleanups, or outdoor adventures, they hold up nicely and won't leave you scrambling for more. If you're someone who values practical solutions without sacrificing style, Sparkle PickASize Spirited Prints are worth a look. They make managing everyday messes easier and more enjoyable, all while keeping your budget intact. Keep a pack handy for those unpredictable moments, because life's little messes don't have to be a hassle. Ready to brighten your cleanup routine with paper towels that deliver what you need, when you need it? Try Sparkle PickASize Spirited Prints paper towels when you're ready to combine affordability, convenience, and a touch of color. Make the bright choice and keep your home prepared for whatever spills or projects come your way.